smells like a bouquet. Guys, we almost reached Kottapalli waterfalls and we took the deviation here. Wow, guys. Guys, we are going off-road inside the waterfalls. We have parking area here. There are only a few cars. I mean, this is off season, so there is less people here, less tourists. Guys, we parked our Fortuner there with other cars and we are going to the waterfalls. So he is taking us there. So he said this is the quickest way to the waterfalls, guys. Everyone is joining.
Do we have enough charge for GoPro?
We have 38%.
If we go there and it will be difficult for.
We have 20 minutes time.
Okay.
You have phone, right? Guys, we are going to the waterfalls now. Hi guys, there is a lot of small goats coming towards me and also cows. Ayo! Eh? Wow. Guys, come on. Yeah. Guys, we are going to take ticket for Kottapalli waterfalls. Here is the entrance and each one 10 rupees and we are how many people going inside? Yeah, guys, we are going to take tickets now.
50 rupees. 5 people.
Anna 5.
We'll make it fast, no? 20 minutes allowed.
We are getting inside Kottapalli waterfalls.
Oh, I can hear the sound.
Yes, guys. Look at that.
Where is it?
Oh, this one. Yeah. We have a lot of stairs here, guys.
Oh, this is safe.
Yeah. Guys, there is a lot of stairs. If you see, there is a lot of stairs. Wow, guys, let's go and check it out. Man, this is a bridge on top of this and you can see there is a lot of stairs over there also. Let's go there and check this out. It would be amazing from here. This is the view, guys. The stream is coming, you know, in between these mountains, traveling all those kilometers and coming through this. And this is the waterfall.
There will be heavy rain, I think, because the water is not clear. Maybe somewhere there will be heavy rain.
Okay, guys, EO is saying, you know, it might be heavy raining somewhere there. So that's why the water is, you know, the color changed. So guys, this is the way. Oh guys, we have to go. This is the side stream is also there. I don't know where this leads. But from here I can see the waterfalls. Wow. Yeah, we have to go a little more down to get a better view, guys. Guys, there is this small stream going through this area. It looks like actually, you know, a really two big mountains and a small lake in cartoons.
In a miniature form.
Yeah, in a miniature form.
Yeah.
Guys, you're going down and seeing how beautiful this is. Oh my god.
Guys, what is the speciality of this waterfall? What is it?
Guys, beautiful guys. That is a viewpoint. Guys, the viewpoint is down there.
And when we're coming back, we can stop by these places and then do it.
Wow. Guys, so nice. They have built these barricades here. So we can easily.
The thing is, this waterfall is recently found out.
Beautiful guys. Beautiful guys. Let's go down and come back and see everything in detail. Okay guys, we are running down. What? Guys, this is a hole.
Yeah, exactly.
There is a lot more to go. What? It's like an entire puzzle, guys. Woo! Woo! Guys, this is so beautiful. I can't explain. This is so beautiful, guys. Wow. Guys, this is Kottapalli waterfall in Andhra Pradesh.
So good. Look at the pose. Oh, fucking good.
So good.
Amazing, guys. This is amazing.
How is it?
Get down there.
Look at the view.
This is what we are waiting for all this time, guys. So the sound effect is nice, man. The sound effect. I don't think you can hear me because of this much sound. The natural sound of.
Guys, it's coming from here.
What will happen if we fall?
Wow.
I can see something.
Guys, we are walking through the rocks here. Man, because it rained, the water color is muddy. Wow. Guys, I'm almost close to the water. Wow. Guys, this is fresh water coming from the mountain. Trick! Guys, this is so good. I'm restricting this water flowing through my so good, right?
Yeah, it's very cool. Water is cool and
Guys, this place is actually dangerous. You might slip and fall and hit your head. So very careful, very, very careful. Guys, look at that. Woo! I can walk through the rocks. So good, guys. There is these lines forming, by hitting the rock.
I thought of washing my legs here, but it's very slippery.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
No,
I
I
just
can't.
tried to wash my shoes, but no.
This is very.
Even this here, it's
Very slippery.
I can do like this with one hand. I can't wash completely.
Okay. Guys, this you can walk near a waterfall, guys. And look at that. They have created a barrage so that the water will flow here. This side for irrigation purpose. I think so, for some canal, something they have created over there. And this side, Baki water will flow through the waterfall which is on that end. So beautiful.
It's becoming dark, and maybe after it, if it become night, the animals and all will come. I don't know. Or snakes and all those things will
Oh
come
yeah.
out.
Guys,
It's a complete forest, guys. This is full forest.
full forest, guys. Look at that. Wow. All around the place you can see the mountains there. Zoe standing there. Guys, look at that. Full forest, black rock, and also there is wet. It is actually wet rocks, guys. Very slippery.
I think there will be also some water will come down.
Yeah.
If there is rain and all that. Now
Yes, guys, look at this. The whole place is wet. That means some kind of, the wetness is there with the rocks. Some
it's so
little bit of flow of water is there from that end.
actually water is really beautiful, guys.
Yeah.
It is flowing from one place to and it is migrating from one.
Wow. Guys, water is like birds, you know.
Yeah.
It's like flowing. Yeah.
When I describe about flowing water, I was thinking how freedom they are. They are like flowing everywhere.
Guys,
They are enjoying
enjoying their life.
kind of poems in English.
Guys.
chapters.
As free as water, you know.
Yeah.
But they can be stopped in ponds.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I like waterfalls. They are not stopped. They are keep. Each and every spot.
Guys, now we'll come into details. We'll show you each and every view spot of Kottapalli waterfall. Wow.
I recently found out this. This is recently found out waterfalls. This is what Rix told me.
Okay. Wow, guys, look at that rock over there. It's actually hitting it and flowing through this direction and this way.
Beautiful, no?
Wow, guys.
Water is very high.
Very sweet, no?
Very sweet.
Guys, nobody can stand over there. It is actually coming in a very huge force.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good. In the other side, it is little dangerous.
Guys, we'll have to climb all this way over
Oh
there.
my god. Climbing up is difficult. Mountain climbing is coming down.
Oh, you still have that flower in your head.
She's.
Oh my god, you can't
She took it from me.
Ooh. Oh, guys. Behind us is the waterfall. Amazing, guys. There is a viewpoint over there. Let's go and check it out.
There are a lot of.
Yeah, there is a lot of viewpoint here. Wow, these stairs are created in between these rocks, guys.
Yes.
Wow.
After it became a tourist place, they might be created
Yes,
for
guys.
safety purpose.
Yeah. Guys, there is an amazing place here.
Ayo. Oh, it's open.
Guys, it is actually open and anybody can come here and bathe. Wow.
Bro, if you go there, you will fall.
Guys, it's coming from the top over here, falling, go nicely going there to the end of that.
Bro, this full view is nice.
Wow, man.
The forest is waterfall. Real forest.
Guys, you can see the forest in between the waterfalls, guys. Look at both the side, green forest, and in the center this waterfall is rushing, creating that energy, this breaking the silence of the forest and going its own way, guys. Wow.
I
so
heard
great.
the sound from up also.
Wow, guys, so good water. So amazing, guys. Adivoli, nice view. So good, guys. Because of limited time, we'll have to hurry back. We have to reach Araku Valley before it is sunset. Yeah.
Yes, it's perfect.
So, guys, let's go to the next viewpoint. Ah.
Oh my god.
Woohoo! Guys, come on, let's go! Ah! Climb, climb! Woo. Actually tired, but let's go, come on!
It's a good exercise.
Go! Come!
Enjoy.
Take it in. Guys, they have written block
so
5.
nice.
You know, previously, oh, look at the pose there. I think you can actually go down there and get a really nice view. That is the viewpoint, 5th viewpoint, guys. Block 5. Guys, this is the one we saw. Wow. Wow, man.
So good.
This is one of the waterfalls which is layered waterfalls, guys. This is not one fall, this is layered waterfalls. So there is a lot of turns and yeah. So guys, what is the difference between a straight waterfall and such a waterfall like here is the force of water will reduce each time it hits a rock. Okay, so actually when we saw under that, the water force was very low. We were able to stand there.
Yeah.
So that's why, guys, so good.
Makes sense.
Yes, guys, we are going back. There is an amazing Chikalu there. Water from the waterfalls just hit my hair. It's almost wet.
Man, this
Wow.
is the best exercise.
Guys, outside there is tasty Chikalu. We'll tell you what is Chikalu.
Chikalu is
Let's go and taste it. Guys, this is Chikalu that I was talking about.
Wow.
Guys, this is chicken which is barbecued in a stick and we'll eat it.
I'm just sitting
mouth watering, guys. Mouth watering.
Yeah.
After
We are
that, my
sitting
step
around it
money.
and getting the heat of it. Wow.
smell.
And the smell. So amazing. And Akka is here. She is
Anuradha.
Anuradha. Guys. See the sound of the chicken. See that?
Crisp, no?
Yeah, it's burning. Guys, let's have it once it's ready. I can smell the masala. What?
Sitting in front of chicken.
Chicken.
What?
She is saying she looks like a cat.
You.
Yeah.
Motu.
Motu. Motu.
Waiting for chicken.
More.
8.
Yeah.
Enimidi is?
8.
8.
Enmity. What?
Enimidi.
Enmity is 8, guys.
Now it's 8. Before it's 7.
Oh, we didn't count.
Offer discount.
Asking discount or something. Or stick code. Guys, let's have it once. Last customers. Guys, we are trying to get one extra Chikalu free.
So why are they not making bamboo chicken now? Because of pasta.
Okay, guys, bamboo chicken biryani season is on October, right? Yeah, October. That's around that time. That is the season here, so that is when you get bamboo chicken biryani here.
Actually had one time.
How is it?
Like big bamboos, and there will be some 2-3 groups of people cooking that, and you should eat in the leaf, banana leaf. They'll serve it. Melting chicken, and you can see the whole process going on, but it's not there this time, guys.
That tempting me, man. Why you were saying this?
And actually, even this Chikalu, there will be a lot of groups doing that, like around 6-7, and tribes will be doing that, and they'll sprinkle lemon on top, and they'll customize if you want more chili powder and all of that.
Stop. It's taking time to cook
Actually,
and
that
I want it.
stick is a bamboo stick.
Guys, we came back and also Drix was saying this.
There are a lot of incidents happening
Yeah, this
here.
is a dangerous place, guys.
Yeah.
This whole waterfalls. Actually, we went there and it was really slippery.
Bro,
Yeah.
you guys
Yeah.
also did this.
No. We actually just checked if the rock is slippery.
Okay, 1 minute. There are few incidents happened, like students come here, couples come here, and even families come here to visit, and they accidentally slip, and 3-4 students together went missing from here, and they found dead bodies later.
Oh my God.
These kind of incidents are still there. It's actually a very dangerous place, and also we got information about snakes also. Thankfully, we didn't find or
nothing was
got
Bitten by a snake.
Yeah, and it's still not dark.
Yeah.
Grateful that we reached before sunset.
guys.
Actually, we saw the thing without having any danger incident,
guys,
but
safe.
actually,
Now our Chikalu is ready in the other side.
It's like a flower bouquet.
this is like a
Guys, it's like a bouquet.
Guys, anybody who wants to give me these are the kind of bouquets that I'll be accepting.
only these kind of bouquets, nothing else. Let's taste, guys.
It smells so good. Let's taste it now.
Yes.
Everyone is taking.
Yeah, you can just bite it.
Guys,
bite
let's
into
taste
it.
this one.
She just sprinkled lemon on top.
Yeah, I saw that.
How's it?
It's like a barbecued chicken. It is so famous here, guys. Chikulu is a famous thing here, other than bamboo chicken.
Yeah.
How is it? Really
Can I
nice.
have more?
Yeah. There are 8. We took 8 for 8 people, guys. Flower bouquet.
Take. It's hot. It's hot. How's it?
I got the
You're
bone
supposed
piece.
to eat it in chikulu, not with the hand.
This is not Chikulu, guys. This is against the terms of Chikulu. Thanks,
Taste
Akka.
So tasty, guys.
Guys, even I want.
I'll do one more.
We brought 8.
And we have enough.
Come, we leave. Let's give it to the rest of them.
Yes, guys. So we taking the baki and we taking to the car. So Lit and Nevison. Lit is having some college work, so she's finishing that.
And Nev is helping her. Because
Yeah.
there is only one laptop. They need to coordinate to
Yeah.
finish that thing.
So Nev is helping Lit, so we'll take all this chikulu to them and
Yes.
they'll be super happy. Come on.
Yes.